In disaster relief, every minute matters. That's why First Atlantic Restoration, a Virginia-based company, tried to streamline its paperwork with DocuSign. But as costs increased and efficiency worsened, Executive Assistant of Production Courtney Brough began looking for a better alternative. While doing some online research, her team found BoldSign. With BoldSign, they gained a wide range of affordable, premium e-signature features, including the ability to make and clone templates. This enabled them to reuse and send documents in seconds, instead of recreating them from scratch. Now, Courtney's team has more time to focus on what really matters, serving their community. Collecting time-sensitive signatures like First Atlantic Restoration? Process paperwork faster with BoldSign.